congratulations sa atong SK. No? O pa man mauban, pero it's a job well done. No? Siguro, in the past few days, natay murag gamay disagreement sa SK. No?
Our first judge is Mr. North District Meet 20 Science Hotel and Restaurant Management, a former officer of Cebu City Scholar in Cebu Eastern College, former subject matter expert for customer service, and currently working at customer service agent. She is no other than Miss Romaline Fuentes. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
I love these names of their production.